This video explains how to configure and use the linear welding function in the Welding Expert. First, click on the Welding Expert menu item under Application to enter the functional interface. Click on Linear Welding under Weldment Shape to enter the Linear Welding Guidance interface. On the basis that all the basic robot settings have been configured, we can generate a welding teaching program through several simple steps. Step 1. Select whether to use an external axis. If an external axis is used, the relevant coordinate system of the external axis shall be configured and the external axis shall be enabled. Step 2. Calibrate the start point, start safety point, end point, and end safety point. After moving the robots and effector to the desired position, click the corresponding point button to record. If an external axis is selected in Step 1, the external axis movement function will be loaded to cooperate with the calibration of relevant points. Step 3. Select whether sensor tracking is required. If so, the parameters of the laser positioning command need to be edited. Step 4. Select whether swing welding is required. If so, the relevant parameters of swing welding need to be edited. Step 5. Name the program and open the program in the teaching interface. Switch to automatic mode and enable endpoint trajectory display. Click to run the program. The robot can be seen first arriving at the starting safety point, then returning to the ending safety point after completing the linear welding task. The above is the basic operation for configuring and using the linear welding function in the Welding Expert. Thank you for watching.